Good morning or good afternoon, wherever you may be. If you're in America, happy July 4th. I'm Clint at Abram Beestead. Everything. So, hope everybody's doing very well. It is hot. Hope everybody's drinking plenty of water. Getting ready for tonight's big show. I think we're going to Clarksville or maybe back to the base. Go watch the fireworks show. I don't like fireworks, so I just deal with it. But the kids like it. So, as a parent, we do what we got to do for our kids. So, anyways, I'm about to assemble a deep box. And also, I got my hands, went over to the bee shop, the bee closet, over here toward Dickson and everything. But I got these. He wanted to tell me thank you for everything I do for him and show his gratitude. But it is awesome looking. Look. So they're wired. I run wax frames in all my brood boxes just about. So, I mean, I keep a couple of frames of the drone brood frames, the green ones. I keep those. I keep one in every box. So I run two double boxes, two double broods. And it's just so I make sure I have plenty of drones out there to help my queens get mated. So that's the only reason why I do that. And then also I'll pull a few drones out whenever I'm doing inspections just to make sure of hive count or mite count. Sorry. But anyways, I was just going to show you these. So these have the wires running like normal, like vertical, but they also have wires horizontal. So it's like a normal, and then if you just DIY, but so each grid right here, each corner is what, like about a 2-inch by 1.5-inch square all the way across. So 3, 4, 5. So it has six wires this way, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 this way. So I thought that was really neat. So if you are interested in any, run over to the bee closet and see if he has any. That's all I can say. But I'm excited to try it. I'm also, because I got about 5 or 6 of them, with that much wire in there, I'm really thinking about trying it up in my honey super, because I use mostly deep for honey supers. I want to try and see how the foundation holds up whenever you're extracting. So I'm really excited. But anyways, I'll let y'all know. I'm going to do another video about those. I'm going to insert one in one of my hives and all that good stuff. But anyways, I've had this box sitting in my washing machine in my laundry room for about 3 weeks, and I'm tired of hearing my wife yell at me about it. So I figured I'd assemble it, more or less. I'm trying not to drop it either at the same time. But anyways, I want to make sure everything looks good. Make sure your handles are all good. Your finger joints are good. And I picked this up over at the big closet too a while ago. But anyways, so I ran out of top bond, but luckily I found some of this. And all I do, and I'm also ran out of nails. I'm about out of this. Oh, there's some. You don't need too much. Just a little bit goes a long ways. from the way I look at it. Oh yeah. I just kind of put it everywhere. Hope everybody's drinking lots of water. I even put some water out for the bees over there by the beehive that are here. I've set them out a 5-gallon bucket. I just want to see how it works. Never done that before. My kids have a little swimming pool, and anybody who has a 3-year-old or a 5-year-old kids, you will know exactly what I'm talking about. The little blow-up swimming pools that we all buy at the Walmarts, or I don't know if y'all can tell, but that's all I put is just a drop. It's just a little bit. And your grooves that are cut out, oh, see a drop going out. So you want to make sure your handles are all the same. Just like that. Since I already got that side done, I got that side done. I'll do this. Got another roof. So I got enough to make another double deep. Not planning on it. But my other hive that I use, well, it kind of went for something else. And I'm just going to set this in here for right now, just to keep it going. Since all that is done, I'm just going to put a little drop here on all these fingers. And I do not build my own. I am not a carpenter. I know some people are. I'm not. Just telling you. Clint is, I can carpenter, but the good Lord did not bless me with that type of control. But anyways, that's how I assemble mine. Then had a drill. I'm out of nails also, so I got a drill bit. I cannot tell you what size I'll see if I can see it. And yes, I am getting glasses right now. So I'm waiting for them to come in. It really looks like a 1/8. So I'm out of nails. So this is how I'm having to do this. It helps if you have clamps and all your stuff. But I drill 2 holes in here on each side. And because I'm out of nails, I'm having to use these. And these are the screws that I use. They come in a huge bucket at Lowe's, Home Depot, for whenever you're for whenever you're putting down for bathroom on subflooring. I believe they call it concrete board. And that's all I use. I redid a bathroom. Bought a huge box. Didn't need that many, but I went ahead and bought that many. Because on a farm, you're always needing screws. So as soon as I'm done here, so I go on both sides. So each corner will have 4 screws. And I think that's plenty. If I was smart, I would have brought my little impact that I have. By DeWalt, my screw gun thing. But I was not thinking. Maybe I should have pre-drilled it. But in the meantime, I just want to thank everybody for subscribing and all that good stuff. Take the rooftop off. Don't need it. Whew. This 105 degrees today is killer. Hope everybody's staying safe. Hope everybody's bees are doing great. I know mine are all look like they're all sitting outside the hive today. Which is pretty normal in the dead heat. I'm pretty sure we are 100% in the dirt. Just, I have some that are working the clover out here, because I have quite a bit of clover planted because of the chickens and the pigs and other animals. My neighbor that's on the back side back here, they mow for hay, so they have a lot of clover planted. So yeah, Middle Tennessee, we all are down south. We all plant a lot of clover for the deer and the farm animals, so that's a big help. Because not a whole lot of came on this year. The flow was not great because of all the storms that we had. Hopefully everybody else had a better honey harvest than what most people in Tennessee had. I am feeding my bees some 1-to-1 just because I want to make sure they have enough to get through winter, because I'm trying not to feed much. So yeah. But anyways, the screws I'm using, I think they're 1 5/8 or 1 1/4 long. Like I said, they're the concrete board screws, and they kind of drive flush with everything. I mean, they're green, but they have this neat little head on them right here. Where my camera is, I don't. So that will drive all the way into the, so you don't have to countersink. Bam. So, anyways, so all I do is, I'll show you. I'll put a screw here and here, and then on this side, there and there. I can do that all the way around. But yeah. So there is that. Like I said, I am really excited about these new frames. Can't wait to try those out. So thankful that the bee closet got them, because I've never seen them. Not that way. These are some of the frames that I just I scraped and pulled the honey out that way, because I wasn't pulling my honey extractor out for 10 frames, 15. I mean, we did not have a harvest at all. So all I did was just repaint them. Here, so here's my pot that I use. That's the lid. Pot. Lid. Yeah, it's a pressure cooker. So, but it's kind of nice because it has a locking lid. So that's what I like. My wife picked it up at Goodwill for like $5 for me. Because I will tell you right now, all you men, do not use anything that your wife likes. Don't use it for bees, because beeswax does not come off. So there you go. There's the roof. Telescoping roof. I don't know if anybody's ever told you also, but if you're having to introduce a new queen, something like that, put her in your pocket. So when you're out here with your other hives and you're trying to introduce her, don't set her up here. I've seen 5 or 6 Facebook things, and they don't understand how 10 minutes on this metal roof killed their queen. This thing's pretty hot when you're sitting out here with, direct sun on this. It gets hot. You cook her. So just want to say I appreciate everything, and hopefully y'all like and subscribe to the channel. I appreciate everybody, and hope everybody's having a wonderful July 4th, 2024. It's going to be a good year. I PCS to Italy, take over in Vicenza, so I'm kind of excited. A new little career path for me, but don't worry. My niece does bees over there also, so in Germany, so I get to go and play with bees and still make videos. Granted, they'll be in Germany probably instead of in Italy. Hopefully I can start doing some bees over in Italy too. Hopefully, I haven't looked into the rules, but I got some friends that are Italian, and I'll be working with some of the local nationals. So, but anyways, but if you ever get a chance and you're around Middle Tennessee area, go check out our local bee shop, Bee Closet. Joe's a great guy. Support the local, support your small business. I mean, that's what America was built on. So anyways, hope everybody is doing great and has a blessed week. blessed 4th of July. Be safe out there. I'll see you on the next video.